If you are looking to book a Seed Survivor mobile classroom, display or utilize the virtual Seed Survivor presentation, then this video tutorial is for you. First, go to seedsurvivor.com. Once there, find Book a Display on the top right-hand corner. Once you scroll down, you will see that we have two applications. First is the mobile classroom application, and the second is the exhibition and fair application. Before you can book for these displays, you will need to register for the program. Press the register button. Here you will fill in all of the required information. And then hit Sign Up to confirm registration. If you have created an account, like myself, then you will go ahead and log in by pressing this button. If it's indicated that you have an account but you forgot your password, click Forgot Password button to reset. Here I will show you how to sign up for mobile classrooms for schools. Once you have logged in, you can then navigate to the three lines at the top and select School Application. You will first put in the location of your school. Given the region that you live in, this will change what options come up for tour stops. If no tour stops appear in the drop-down menu, this means that the mobile classroom is not currently scheduled to be in your region. However, continue to fill in the rest of the page. You will then be brought to the fifth page where you will confirm and book. Please note that you are not booked for a particular date. You will be contacted the next time that we are in the region. For those that do live within the current route of the Seed Survivor mobile, when you put in your location, you will see multiple tour stops appear in the drop-down menu. Choose the one you live in and fill in the remaining information. Then select Next. Here you will set up a contact name, phone number, and meeting location for the day of the presentation. To set up the trailer on time, please schedule a staff member to meet and guide the Seed Survivor trailer driver 1.5 hours before the start time. Outdoor space about 60 by 30 feet is needed. No overhanging power lines, relatively easy access to and from the parking lot, horizontally level parking surface, and we prefer pavement but can do compact gravel as well if needed. We do not park on grass due to the weight of the vehicle. Please then describe the location, and there's an option to include pictures as well. Then select Next. Here you will be asked to create a backup plan to ensure that you will have a good experience no matter what. Present an alternative location for the presentation. Please ensure that there is space for 4 rolling cases, access to a screen, close proximity to the trailer, and enough space for the students and presenters. Then select Next. You will schedule Seed Survivor for a full school day, with a minimum of 4 presentations and only 1 class per presentation. Presentations for grades 3 through 6 are 1 hour in length, and other grades can be used to fill time if needed. Grade 2 is 40 minutes, kindergarten and grade 1 are 20 minutes. We are happy to work around your bell schedule for the day, but please schedule 10 minutes between presentations and a break during your school's lunch period if possible. Here, I will show you how to create the schedule. First, select the date. Type in the number of classrooms. I will, for example, put 4. Select the current grade. I will have this class start at 9 a.m. Because it is a grade 4 class, they will have a 1-hour presentation, which will automatically populate in this box. Write the teacher name and email and number of students. Repeat this process for each class. Remember to at least give 10 minutes between the end of one presentation to the start of the next presentation. If you would like to add more classrooms, click the plus sign and you can add up to 6 classes in one day. To add another day, press Add a Day and fill it out the same way. Please write here if you have any alternative dates. Then select Next and select Submit. Select My Bookings here to see your bookings. While your booking is pending, you can still make changes to your application. However, once it is approved, you will have to reach out to a program coordinator to make any changes from there. If we are unable to bring the mobile classroom to your area, you can utilize our virtual Seed Survivor presentation. Navigate back to the home page to find it. Once there, go to the Just for Teachers tab and select Virtual Seed Survivor tab. The virtual presentation goes along with the classroom kit. Scroll down to see what is in the kit. In the kit, there is Seed Survivor cups and lids for up to 30 students. Sunflower seeds. Available options may vary by tour area or season. A teacher poster thank you gift. Printed media cards to help with accessing the materials online. There is enough supplies in each kit for up to 30 students, so each classroom only requires one kit. You can register for a kit here by pressing this link. To find the resources that go along with it, click Presentation Video, Lesson, and Activities. Here, you can download all materials. These materials include the teacher and parent guide, activities, and more. And that is all for the classroom kit. For those who want to book a display for an exhibition or fair, head back to the home page. Select Book a Display and press here. Once again, you will have to make sure that you are registered first. Fill in all the required information. Next, fill in specific times for when the display can be set up. If further details are needed, select Add a Schedule item. Then provide when the display will need to move in, when the display will be open to the public, when to move out, and ensure that the venue meets all requirements and upload any order forms. Once you have checked all applicable boxes, please select Next. Here you can specify which display you would like. If you selected more than one, specify your preference here. You can then confirm and book. And that is all for the Seed Survivor application process. Please reach out at any time if you have any questions along the way. We are always happy to help. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.